Hey people, welcome back to the Aryan Zach channel. You might have noticed that some people have moved on with their life and you kind of feel left behind, where you notice that some people are just not talking to you anymore and you guys are different people. Well, that happens a lot in life where people change and you have also changed. So it's difficult to let go of someone even though you know you have changed. It is difficult and it hurts a lot because the person that you knew isn't there anymore. It's a different person now. And the same with you. It's still comforting to have that person in your life, but it just hurts that you have to let go of someone. And this is something that I've struggled with a lot, where I have had to let go of friends for years, like 10 years friendships that I have to let go. It is really difficult to do that. So I just wanted to talk about it. Here's the thing that nobody tells you about letting go of people. You have been gaslit by Disney movies into thinking that caring about someone means holding on to them forever. That is totally not true. Sometimes love means blocking their number and moving on with your life. Revolutionary concept, I know that. I used to think that staying loyal with someone, even in toxic situations, was a good thing. Turns out I was just chronically codependent on them with a superiority complex. You know those people who say, I don't give up on people, while literally destroying themselves for someone who wouldn't cross the street for them. Plot twist, that's not love, that's trauma bonding with extra steps. If someone just doesn't care about you anymore, you have to let them go. It doesn't matter. Even if you were good friends back in the day, I know it hurts and I have gone through it too, but you just have to let go of people. You can't just keep being with the same people just because you believe that they owe you something or you owe them something. It just doesn't work like that. If you feel like this person isn't having a good impact on your life, you have to let go. You can't save everyone. And that's the thing I didn't realize. I'm not making this video because I'm going through a loss in life. I just wanted to help people who are going through a loss in their life. That's why I'm making this video. So totally not personal, putting that out there. You can't be mad at your high school bestie just because they don't talk to you anymore. That's just not how it works, okay? Friendships are phases in life. Everybody is a chapter. That's not the whole book. Nobody will be around with you forever. And that's what I believe truly. One thing that will be around forever is how you treat other people and how you interact with them. Be a good person. That's what I'm saying. You don't need to be the bad person because you're cutting off someone. It's not like that. You cut out people because of your own good. It's not about them, it's about you. Okay? Understand that and put yourself first. So, how can you actually let go of people without being a heartless monster? Well, step number one, stop making it about them. This isn't a villain origin story that you are the good guy and they're the bad guy. You're not a villain, you're neither a hero. You're just a person in real life. You have to let go of people who do not care about you, who do not give a shit about you, and are just there for the sake of being there. Then you have to make it about peace. You have to make your peace with them. It doesn't matter that they are trying to be different on purpose. It doesn't matter. You have to let go of people who do not care about you, who will never care about you, because they have changed and you have changed it too. You have changed too. So you have to make it peaceful. You don't have to lash out at them for changing. You don't have to lash out at them because they're a different person now. You don't have to do that. You don't have to lash out at people who have changed. They're not the same person anymore. They ignore you. It doesn't matter. You have to make your peace with that. Because in life, the one thing I've learned is the ones that are loyal stay forever. And the ones who are not loyal, you have to let go of them. Even loyal people, you have to let go of them at some point. You're not alone. I believe that nobody's truly alone. But people have their own paths. It's like building a blueprint. It's like building a building, but you have two different blueprints. Sometimes you have to diverge from their path. And step three, you have to accept that people are subscriptionships. They are not lifetime memberships. Nobody will be your friend for your entire life. It's like you have been paying Netflix to be for you forever. It doesn't work like that. It is both ways. And if you only had garbage content on Netflix, would you still be subscribing to them? And yeah, I know it's going to be messy. Sometimes you will miss the other person. Sometimes you'll wonder if it was the right decision to cut them off. Both feelings can coexist without you being crazy. Humans are complex and contradictory. Who would have thought? It's like being hungry and full at the same time after a big meal. It makes no sense, but it does exist. Marcus Aurelius has said in the past that you have power over your mind and not outside events, which is basically me translating it into basic terms. It means that stop trying to control other people, you absolute fucking idiot. You cannot control other people. If someone is trying to be cool and not talking to you, it's their problem. It's not your problem. You just you just have to move on with your life. You have to let go of people, even though you still follow each other on Instagram. It doesn't matter. People move on with their life, they make new friends, and so should you. You shouldn't be upset about someone not talking to you or ignoring you. That's just life. The bottom line is that letting go isn't about caring, it's about caring smarter. It's about choosing yourself without needing to villainize the other person or yourself. It's just basic reasoning skills that you need to exit from other people's life. You can't just be involved with everyone. You can't be in everyone's life. It will kill you if you try to be friends with everyone that you have known your entire life. It just doesn't work like that. You have to let go of people just because you're on different paths, and that's totally okay to do that. It doesn't matter. You have to let go. And it is really difficult. It was really difficult for me in the past to do that. But after so many years, I've changed. And even if I meet someone who have let go in the past, it won't be the same. The friendship won't be the same because I'm a different person now, and so are they. We have different interests now. That's what matters. How the fuck do we have less subscribers than the Fet and Fresh podcast? Subscribe to Overtake.